You have the Valley Strong brand on the Figure product. And I imagine there's a bunch of obvious reasons why you would want your brand there. But that's not always the case in fintech products. How important is private label in your brand to you? And how much have you leaned into this being a Valley Strong product versus this being a Figure product?
So the Figure is the first product we've ever white labeled the tech on.
Oh, interesting.
That's how much we like it. And because we believe in the credit, we love the asset class, right? So we had so much experience with it beforehand. We were already bought into the actual asset performance. For us, then it was like, we can offer this to our members. The thing I can tell you is our members love the speed. They love the ability to self-service. And if they need to call somebody because they need help, they can. But if they don't, they can upload everything themselves or connect their bank account and control their offer and manage to their own outcome. We get a lot of great reviews from our members about the product. They love it. Our team loves it because now they're not chasing all these applications, right? It frees them up to do more value add activities. So it's a win-win all the way around. And we've actually continued to see a steady increase quarter over quarter on originations.
For another credit union CEO listening, what would you say is the part of the process that the Figure process takes out, or some barrier that we remove that moves the needle the most for your members?
It's time and pain, right? There's a lot of time and resources that are used by our internal teams in managing these applications. Our credit bill, for example, went down 5 figures by converting to Figure because we weren't pulling all these hard credit pulls, right? And we were pulling credit on everybody because we needed to pull a hard credit whether they got approved or not,
right?
And with the Figure ecosystem model on the white label, we're paying for funded loans, and that's a huge difference in our opinion. I would say a lot of credit union CEOs and credit unions in general tend to be risk averse, but the easiest way to get over the hump is just to jump in,
right?
Try it.
Jump in. The water's warm in Bakersfield.
Heck yeah, it is.
It is.